So this is a Partridge Brahma rooster. So Brahma is one of my favorite breeds of exotic chickens. They're not really good egg layers, the hens, but the colors are striking. Look at those reds. He's beautiful. Beautiful rooster. So he has two hens of the same breed. They're not here with him right now just because they don't like to stay here. They're not egg laying, otherwise I would be hatching some of these babies. But he is a beautiful, beautiful rooster. These hens are like his wives. They like to hang out here. These are regular egg layers. They're not of any exotic breed. They're just cuckoo marans and marans. They lay dark eggs, but they just keep him company. Yeah, these four are sisters, actually. Are these your wives? Hmm? Are these your wives? He's a good husband. He lets them eat all the food. You've been fighting. You can see that. You've been fighting with the other roosters again. He's heavier than all my other roosters, so he wins every time. But doesn't stop them from trying to fight him. Like in the background, these are the peacock babies. And these ladies are desperate for some food. All right, there you go. So here you can see the male and the female of the Brahma. He's not happy to be confined. He doesn't like it, but I wanted to show you side by side what they look like. Look at the shine in the feathers of the Brahma rooster. All these glassy metallic feathers. The reds are amazing. He's a big, big rooster. Beautiful. Off you go. And this is the hen of the Partridge Brahma. She's a nice sized hen. She's gonna give me beautiful babies one day. So they are very slow to mature sexually to start laying eggs. She did lay eggs already this year. She's finishing her molt. When they're molting, they're not laying eggs, and they're not known to lay a lot of eggs, just a few eggs a year. So I'm hoping that she's gonna start laying soon, so I can put her and her sister with the rooster and see if we can hatch some of these beautiful babies. What do you think? Leave me comments.